In Unit 3, Lesson 9, we're looking more at the specific assignment for writing about 2 jobs of interest. And so I'm asking each student in the class to write an essay, and I want you to choose 2 jobs that you would likely do in the future, with the idea in mind that maybe you would complete a program at Madison College and choose one of these 2 careers. So what I want you to do is to look at 4 criteria that you can use to compare and contrast these 2 jobs. So you might want to focus on how they're similar or how they're different, but the criteria can be anything. It can be like this example shows education and training required for the 2 jobs, experience and skills, income, both the salary and the job outlook, like are there going to be a lot of jobs, any number of things that you want to use for your criteria. And then we looked at model essay on page 250 in our textbook. So if you want to jump to page 250, you can look at the model essay with me for a moment. And again, I won't read this word for word, but I want to focus on a few things. So the writer here starts out with a very general topic sentence. To many people, the jobs of dental hygienist and dental assistant may seem to be the same. However, when the 2 jobs are compared, there are some definite similarities and marked differences. And so here, because the writer mentions similarities first and differences second, we can assume that in this paragraph, the writer is going to focus on similarities. So I put an S there. And here, the writer is going to focus on the differences between the 2 jobs. And then this is the conclusion. And so in this short essay, we have I for introduction, a paragraph S, similarities, paragraph D for differences, and paragraph C for a conclusion. And again, we can see some key words here, both, also, similarly. Here we see both again. These are signal words that show how 2 things are alike. Although, here we see in contrast. Again, I'm not going to read it through completely, but though both jobs, here the word but often shows contrast, and however. And so there are some signal words that good writers will use to show how things are different. Okay. And so if you can take some time to read in detail that that short essay on page 215, that will be good. I'll also show you some documents from Blackboard now.